Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside YouTube Studio. Open Content and pick the video you want. Make sure the video language is correct, then open Subtitles. From here, choose Upload File if you already have an SRT, or choose Auto Generate to get a transcript instantly. Do this first because it gives you a concrete file to edit. Once the track exists, you can refine timing and text. This immediate action prevents wasted time guessing formats, and it prepares you for precise editing in the next step. Now you refine content, read through each caption and fix transcription errors, punctuation, and speaker labels. While you edit, adjust start and end times so lines appear long enough to read, drag the timing bars or nudge by 0. 5 seconds for tight sync. Play the video at reduced speed to catch overlaps, and make sure no line exceeds 2 short clauses for readability. Once done, check speaker breaks and remove filler words. This improves comprehension and retention for every viewer. Finish by saving and publishing your subtitles. Click Publish Edits so captions appear on the live video. Then verify on desktop and mobile to confirm formatting and timing behave the same across devices. Download a backup SRT after publishing so you have a local copy. If something goes wrong, say timings are off or captions don't show, try re-uploading the corrected SRT or run auto-sync using the full transcript. Clearing browser cache often fixes visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.